Hey, it's John. Thank you so much for grabbing Friend Connector. I know you've probably been burned before buying something online, so I respect your trust. And you're probably expecting me to try to sell you an upgrade here. Well, you're correct. But before I go further, let me emphasize to you, Friend Connector will do everything I promised and will work just fine as is. You do not need to buy this upgrade, but I know you'll want to upgrade. How do I know? Simple. You grabbed Friend Connector because you want to build a targeted audience on Facebook without wasting time and effort. And I know that once you see the 4 hidden benefits you can unlock by going pro, 4 benefits that allow you to finally pinpoint certain important aspects of your audience building, you'll be scrolling for the buy button. So let's get to the point. The first advantage you'll get from going pro is the gender filter. This simply allows you to select only males or females to target. So if you're selling a product or service that will only appeal to one gender or the other, you can avoid the gender that won't respond. This alone could skyrocket profitability from your Facebook audience. Next, you'll unlock the country filter. Fairly simple to understand. You can select specific countries to target. Only want people in the USA, Canada, and Brazil, for instance. Simple. The third pro advantage you'll get is the country tier filter. Similar to the country filter, this allows you to limit friend requests to specific country tier levels. Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Less specific than going granular by country, but important for economic factors, for instance. The fourth and final pro advantage you'll get is really cool. The negative keywords filter. You'll be able to specify keywords to search for when finding your ideal buyer. The negative keywords filter lets you fine-tune that process by specifying keywords that disqualify people. For example, if you want home business prospects but don't want anyone who's interested in multi-level marketing, you could put multi-level marketing and MLM in the negative keywords filter to bounce anyone with those in their descriptions. As I'm sure you understand, these 4 advantages are amazingly powerful for pinpointing exact prospects for your product or service, while excluding those who would just be time wasters. For example, suppose you're selling a GDPR compliance app for online marketers. With Friend Connector Pro, you can target that. Just set the country filter to select from a list of EU countries. Suppose you're selling a method for female life coaches to increase their business, but you only speak English with Friend Connector Pro. You can target that. Set the gender filter to female, and set the country filter to select from a list of predominantly English-speaking countries. Suppose you're selling a male enhancement product that you only want to sell within the United States and only to men who are single. With Friend Connector Pro, you can target that, set the gender filter to male, set the country filter to United States, and put married and engaged in the negative keywords filtered. You see how powerful these additional pro benefits are for you. I want to reward you for taking fast action by giving you an amazing deal. When you get your pro upgrade right now, you'll save $77 each month. That means you'll keep over $900 in your pocket in the first year alone while increasing your profits from an audience that's pinpoint targeted and highly responsive. And for a very limited time, upgrade right now. And I'll include my friend Disconnector as a special fast action bonus. The one limiting factor in Facebook audience building is the 5,000 friend limit. That means you have to ensure that the people on your friend list are engaged and responsive. Friend Disconnector removes all the inactive friends who don't engage with you with just a click of a button that increases your engagement while opening up room. For more targeted friends, this is an additional $97 a month value. Yours absolutely free for upgrading to Pro right now, but I reserve the right to remove this screaming deal and the Fast Action Friend Disconnector bonus at any time. Wait until later and you'll pay full price. So click the upgrade button below, unlock your Pro advantages instantly, and jump even further ahead of your competition. I'll see you inside.